You guys might recall that we rescued these 2 trees and the project manager had them put in by the gardener for us. But as you can see, they haven't fared very well. They've had plenty of water, perhaps too much, can't help the rain, and they seem to be no longer with us. Well, we consulted with a professional horticultural team and arborists, and it seems that those trees that you just saw are dead, or no longer with us. So the project manager's kindly said that she'll give us one big palm tree to replace it. And we're just going to take you through the whole process of what happened getting this tree put in. It was hilarious. It was a laugh a minute, and I hope you enjoy this. But we've now got a lovely palm tree in the backyard, but there was some collateral damage, shall we say, on the way. It's still not completely finished yet, and we will give you an update in an upcoming video. But the artificial turf basically has got to be relaid in that area, but they're just waiting for the soil to dry out before they do that. Anyway, it's all pretty self-explanatory, and I hope you enjoy it.
So today we're getting our trees replaced.
ต้นบนน่ะมันจึงเขาเรียกว่ามาเอาผ้าที่ไปคลุมโรคไม่ได้มันพวกนี้มัน
God bless you.
ปิดน้ำก่อน close the water มายังไง
Sprung a leak.
แป๊บนึงนั่นน่ะ
แต่ตรงนี้เราต้องเคลียร์ก่อนเนี่ยยังไงถูกไหม
Another leak.
แต่น้ำมันจะไปลงตรงนั้นระวังนิ้วนี่ไงต้องมัดแล้วมันออกแล้วมันถึงจะได้ขอบคุณค่ะติดเหรอไม่ได้ไม่ได้ลงนะลงละมันลงละมันลงละ
Don't worry about the pipe. So our pool's a bit empty after yesterday's episode, and the pool man's coming today to fix it, but look at that beautiful tree now. So it's a couple of days since we've had our beautiful tree put in. The pool is being refilled. I think the pool man will come tomorrow and fix it up because it's still a bit cloudy. But this work here, it looks like it's still leaking. Oh dear. It looks like it's going to be just a little bit more. But anyway, there's our beautiful tree. I love it. We will have to call the project manager. The pipe's still broken. To be continued.